No! Oh my god! You guys, look at that. Look at this. Hi fifths, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I am up early and ready for work. I'm very tired, but I have to go, so I gotta do what I gotta do. And Tyler is still sleeping because baby's home today, so that's good. So Tyler don't have to get up early and head out with baby because baby's home today for the day, so that's really awesome. But yeah, I'm going to leave you home with the boys, so you guys have a good day, and I'll catch you guys when I get back home.
Hey Tyler, tu dis bonjour?
Bonjour.
Bonjour, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Oh, it's breakfast time. What you having? Porridge?
Butter.
Porridge? You like porridge?
Butter.
Laisse papa faire. C'est bon le porridge? You like porridge, Tyler?
Butter.
Porridge? Oh. Papa va venir t'aider, d'accord? Hi guys, yeah, so I'm here, baby's still at work. Tyler didn't feel for lunch for now, I think, because he got up very late. He's not very hungry, so I just put him to bed now. Let's see if he's still sleeping. So yeah, Tyler's still sleeping like a baby. So I'm about to join him. Babe should be here in about 30-45 minutes. So I'm just gonna take this a short time to go rest too, because when she be here, we're gonna have some stuff to do.
Right now we are in town. We just finished getting my new bus card because we didn't get it the last time when we attempted to get it, because we didn't have one paper that we thought we had, which was the correct one, so we had to wait to get that one from my company. So now I have my new bus card. So babe said to me, welcome to the club. So I'm official, honey. I take the bus so often, so it's needed. And now that Tyler going to daycare and I have to drop him and pick him up most days, so it's well needed. So bus card is done, mission accomplished for that one. And now we are going to go to the museum that we attempted to go to a few months ago. What happened?
Yeah, we're going there with the red light.
We're going to the museum because just like we attempted a few months ago, or a few weeks ago I should say, to get the museum card, because all the museum in Nice I can get to go to them without paying if I have a particular card. So the last time when we came, I didn't have my ID, so babe got his card. So now I'm going to try to go and get my card. So it's all about moi today. Hey babe, it's all about me today. And then we're going to go to some stores to see if I get some stuff that I want. And I am tired, I want to sleep. My body really don't used to waking up early in the morning, so I'm struggling with waking up early, but that's okay, it will all work out. But yeah, I'm going into this museum to get this card. So you guys, we ended up at the museum because we're already here, and I got my card. Let me show you guys. Tyler calling the man behind us uncle, the statue. Uncle. So this is my museum card. Zoom. I'm trying to show you guys my museum card. Can't see it, but this is my museum card. It have my picture on it, my name, and it's valid for 3 years. So I can go to any museum in Nice for 3 years. Oh my god, look at this wild pig behind me. Crazy, so beautiful. Look at this reindeer, so cute. And this, I guess all my Americans know what this one is. That's an eagle. Very beautiful. Look at those, so pretty. Babe teaching Tyler all of the things that's there. As Tyler stepped into the museum, he said, wow, so pretty, it looks so real. It looks so real. Very beautiful museum. Look at this one, look at this snake. Oh my gosh. Hey, wow, look at this eagle up above. So pretty. Eagle flying over my head. A snake. Look. Look. Take him out the tree, let him walk. A snake. Look at this blackbird.
Wow.
Oh, Tyler. Look at that. He says, wow. You know, I so love Tyler in this phase that he's in right now. He recognizes everything. He's fascinated by everything. Oh my gosh.
Serpent.
Oh. Tyler, touch the ghost. Gus. Oh, it's so cute. Hey, babe.
So what they do?
Here.
They put in different place in the area, and they showing you the animals that you can find.
Okay, okay, okay.
So this is all about Nice area.
Okay. Okay. Tyler, what sound does this make? Make the sound of the snake.
All about mushroom.
Make the sound. What sound he make? Yes. What sound? Make the sound. So cute. Bugs. Bugs. Bugs over there. Good, Papa.
Oiseau?
Oiseau? No! Oh my god! You guys, look at that!
Grenouille?
Look at this! Oh my god, it looks so real!
Grenouille?
Scary! Grenouille! Frog! I'm not going any closer to that even though it's fake. I'm sorry. As much as it's fake, I am not going close to it. My biggest fear, frogs and lizards. Nope. No way. Bugs. Yes. It's very little, but it's very nice. Whoa. What's that? Bird. Bird. Look at this big one. Tella, look. Tella, look at him. He's huge. You see him? You want to touch him? Hold it. Come, let's touch him. Come. Up, up, up. Wow. Touch him. Touch him. Yes. Touch him. Touch him. Touch him. It looks so real. Look at this little family right here. So cute. So cute. They look so real. This museum was well done. This is the two-person who created the museum. Okay, nice. Hello, sir. How are you? It looks scary. Oh my gosh. This one is a handsome man. The one over there is very handsome. Yes. He's okay, but this one is handsome. Man. Man. Let's go. Puppy. I'm in the kitchen, of course, making dinner for the fam, and as you guys can see my face, I'm so tired. I came home and I fell asleep in the couch for 2 minutes. I hear Tyler calling, mama, mama, man. So that woke me up. I was that tired. I guess not used to the waking up in the morning is taking a toll on me when I do wake up early. But your girl is not cooking because babe haven't been feeling well since we got back from Italy. He caught some kind of bug and he's been vomiting, and he had to take a day off from work. I had to take a day off from work yesterday. Not yesterday. I did take a day off from work Monday. He went to work Tuesday. He wasn't feeling so bad, but he had already planned to take today off. So today is Wednesday and he's off today. But he's feeling a lot better, but he still doesn't feel like eating all the veggies, and he doesn't feel to eat the usual things. So he's just freelancing, eating whatever he feels like eating. And so am I. I just don't feel to eat anything lately, and I just want some Jamaican patty, man. That's all I want. I don't feel for no veggies. I don't feel for no fast food. I just need some Jamaican patty. Just 2. That's all I ask. 2 Jamaican patty and I'll be good. I'll be alright. Anyway, enough of my missing Jamaica patty ranting. So I'm actually here making some fish sticks and fries for Tyler, which is not the norm for him, but I don't feel like cooking anything, and my babies eat anything that I prepare. So that's what Tyler is eating. I think babe says he's going to make steak and fries. So yeah, that's what the boy is going to have. I don't know what I'm going to have. I probably just munch on anything I feel like eat. So yeah, that's what's up right now. The boys are in the living room. I think baby's reading Tyler book or something like that. I'm gonna peek on them.
Quel champion peut revenir? Si tu conduis comme tu répares les routes, tu peux gagner plusieurs zones. Tout heureux, lâche ses lances sur le bitume. Soudain, alors qu'il est en tête, Flash voit Chick Hicks expédier le King hors de la piste. Le terrible accident de Doc lui revient en mémoire. Au lieu de foncer vers la victoire, il décide d'aider le champion cabossé en le poussant jusqu'à la ligne d'arrivée.
Okay, you guys, so this is what Tyler having for dinner tonight. Babe and I are gonna have to sort out ourselves and figure out what we want. But yeah, that's T-Bear's dinner.
Bye.
Star, say bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Mama.
Say love you.
Bye.
Blow them kisses. Mwah. You guys, Tyler is heading to bed. Say bye bye.
Bye.
You fuck up the camera door, son.